Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a review on the Wansview W9 2K outdoor security camera. Now Wansview did send this to me completely free of charge with the only caveat that I do an honest review on the equipment. Now I've done reviews like this before for Wansview and so far I have loved every single one of their systems. So the systems that I've used the most are the R2 and the 360 light bulb camera. Those two systems are phenomenal. We're gonna go ahead and test this one out, but before we do that, we're gonna do an unboxing on this so you guys can see what comes inside this W9 kit. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do an unboxing here. All right, so what I'm seeing already here is very typical of everything that Wansview does. They do a great job of providing the template so you know exactly where to drill so you can put the camera. So we have the template here. We have the booklet, which is the quick installation guide, which I'm gonna make sure to read it, but I can already tell that it's pretty much very straightforward. Connect the camera, use the application, put the application QR code in the front of the camera, and the camera automatically installs itself basically. The installation hardware, some more installation hardware over here. We have the QC certificate. Let me see. This is the AC power. This is the AC power plug. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, without further ado, actually, there might be some cables here, or I think this might all come out together. So you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and take out the camera, and then these cables come out with it. Now this is a wired camera, in case you guys are wondering. It's not battery operated like the R2, so there is gonna need an output for this camera out. But basically, this is what the camera looks like. It does come with some antennas here. And it is 360, so you can control this completely 360 within the application. So that's actually pretty cool. And the light bulb has the same thing here, which is, let me see if I can zoom in here. All right, so the light bulb has the same thing here, where you open this up. And let me see if I can zoom in here. Okay. You can put the SD card, the micro SD card in there. This is the reset button over here. That's pretty much it. Doesn't have a power button because obviously, focus. All right, so obviously doesn't need a power button because it goes directly connected to the power via here. So, all right, so anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. No power button, no nothing of that sort. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my honest review on this W9. But like I said, if it's anything like the previous renditions that they've sent me, like the R2 or the 360 light bulb, I don't doubt their quality at all. So anyways, that's my unboxing of the W9 2K 3 megapixels outdoor security camera from Wansview. Stay tuned for the in-depth on this camera. Have a good one.